The 2025 Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty earth-moving tasks in construction, mining, and other high-demand industries. Known for its superior performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology, the D11 is one of the largest and most efficient bulldozers in its class. Caterpillar continues to raise the bar with the D11, ensuring it can handle tough terrains and large-scale projects with ease. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer reflects its heavy-duty capability and modern engineering. With an imposing presence, the D11 has a reinforced steel frame designed to endure extreme pressure and harsh conditions. The powerful and efficient hydraulic system operates through a robust undercarriage that ensures maximum traction and stability across rocky, sandy, or muddy surfaces. The bulldozer features a wide, durable blade capable of moving large volumes of materials. The blade is adjustable and adaptable, allowing for optimal performance in various applications. The cab, located at a high vantage point, offers excellent visibility, providing operators with a clear line of sight to the work area, ensuring precision and safety. The modern design of the D11 also includes smart features like advanced lighting systems, providing clear illumination for work in low-visibility areas. The overall design is a mix of functionality and durability, built for longevity in some of the most demanding environments on Earth. Performance. The 2025 Caterpillar D11 is equipped with a robust Cat C32 engine, delivering exceptional horsepower, making it capable of moving heavy materials quickly and efficiently. This engine is paired with state-of-the-art transmission and hydraulic systems that ensure smooth operations even in the most difficult conditions. With the ability to handle massive payloads and shift large volumes of dirt, rock, and debris, the D11 Bulldozer is perfect for mining, road construction, and land reclamation projects. The advanced hydraulic system allows for quick and precise adjustments to the blade, whether it's raising, lowering, or angling it for maximum efficiency. It also features powerful ripper attachments for breaking up tough soil or rock, improving its versatility for various tasks. Operators can expect high levels of productivity with reduced downtime, thanks to the bulldozer's durability and ease of maintenance. The advanced fuel efficiency technologies ensure the D11 operates with minimal fuel consumption, lowering operating costs without compromising on power. The addition of telematics allows for real-time monitoring of the bulldozer's health, enabling fleet managers to optimize performance and conduct predictive maintenance. Price. The price of the 2025 Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer can vary significantly depending on the specific configurations, optional attachments, and regions. Typically, the base price ranges from $800,000 to over $1 million USD. Additional costs for maintenance, training, and extended warranties may also affect the overall investment. Despite its hefty price tag, the D11's long-term durability, productivity, and efficiency make it a valuable asset for large-scale operations, providing excellent return on investment. Safety features. Safety is a key priority in the design of the 2025 Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer. It is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features to ensure the operator's protection and enhance overall site safety. These features include 1. Rollover Protection System (ROPS). The ROPS ensures that the operator is protected in the event of a rollover. 2. FOPS Falling Object Protection System. The FOPS prevents debris and objects from falling onto the operator's cabin, safeguarding them from potential hazards. 3. Advanced Monitoring Systems. The telematics system continuously monitors the bulldozer's status, alerting operators to any issues with performance, helping to prevent accidents before they occur. 4. Ergonomic Cab. Designed for operator comfort, the cab includes easy-to-use controls, air conditioning, and a high-visibility window to help the operator stay focused and reduce fatigue. 5. Automated Systems. The bulldozer features automated systems that assist operators in optimizing the blade's position and movement, reducing human error and promoting safety on site. Overall conclusion. The 2025 Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer is a formidable piece of equipment designed to handle large-scale earth-moving projects with ease. It combines exceptional power, cutting-edge technology, and user-focused safety features, making it an invaluable asset in demanding industries. Though it comes with a high price tag, the efficiency, performance, and durability of the D11 ensure that it delivers significant value for any large-scale operation. Whether for construction, mining, or heavy industrial work, the 2025 D11 stands as a benchmark of excellence in the world of bulldozers.